Use the table below. We have our table here of x and y values. We want to first divide this table into 3 groups. So if I'm looking at it here, I have 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 11, 6, 13. There's like a pattern here. I'm going to divide it into 3 groups. 1 and 2 together, 3 and 4 together, and 5 and 6. So there's our 3 groups. So I have 1, 3, and 2, 5 as our first group. Then we have 3, 7, and 4, 9 as a second group. And lastly, 5, 11, and a 6, 13 as a third group. Now we want to find the median points for each group. So we're going to average the x values and average the y values. So between 1 and 2, the halfway point is 1.5, and between 3 and 5 is a 4. 3 and 4, halfway point is a 3.5. And between 7 and 9 is an 8. And lastly, between 5 and 6 is a 5.5. And 11, 13 is a 12. So now we want to estimate the slope using the median points here. So our slope, y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. Let's use our first and last points here. So y2 is a 12 minus y1, which is 4, over x2 of 5.5 minus a 1.5, x1. Well, 12 minus 4 is an 8, and a 5.5 minus 1.5 is a 4, and so we got a slope of 2. So our slope here is 2. Well, now we can find the median fit line. We're going to use our slope and a point. Let's pick the first one, and our slope of 2. So we have point slope form, y minus y1, 4, equals our slope 2, times x minus x1, 1.5. Let's write this in slope intercept form. I'm going to distribute the 2 across. We have y minus 4 equals 2x minus 2 times 1.5 is 3. I add a 4 to both sides here. Y is by itself, and I have 2x plus 1 minus 3 plus 4 is a 1. So our median fit line is y equals 2x plus 1. All right. So there we had it. We found the median fit line, y equals 2x plus 1, from our data here.